Welcome to the SR Nexco video tutorials. This chapter shows you how to create a framework-free anterior crown with SR Nexco. As a working basis, fabricate a working model in the usual manner. This model should contain a detachable die. Expose and mark the preparation margins. It is recommended that you apply a sealer to harden the surface and protect the die. Apply 2 coatings of SR model separator to seal the model. Apply the first coating slightly more generously. Make sure that all areas of the die are well covered. Allow each individual layer of separator to react for 3 minutes on the surface of the die. Apply the liner thinly on the entire die surface and thin it out towards the preparation margin. It is important to fully cover all areas because the liner provides an essential bonding surface to the luting composite. Please note that the thickness of the liner coating should be at least 150 microns. To enhance the transmission of light in the cervical region, apply liner incisal to the marginal area. This measure provides a harmonious transition between the gingiva and the restoration. Now pre-cure the liner by illuminating each segment for 20 seconds with a quick pre-curing light. Do not separate polymerized liner from the die. Thoroughly remove the resulting inhibition layer on the liner surface using a disposable sponge. Now, the anterior crown can be layered. Press the first layer of dentin material firmly onto the liner to ensure an effective bond between the liner and lab composite. Pre-cure each segment of dentin for 20 seconds using a quick pre-curing light. Subsequently, add dentin material to the marginal areas. You may want to use stains orange or occlusal dentin to enhance the shade effect in the interdental area and palatal fossa. Pre-cure each individual layer for 20 seconds using the quick. Now, contour the mesial and distal ridges with opal effect materials. You may outline the ridges on the palatal side with opal effect 2 material and then cover them with incisal material. Outline the mamelons using mamelon materials or stains and pre-cure them. Next, complete the labial tooth contours using incisal and transpa materials. Again, pre-cure the incisal and transpa materials for 20 seconds using the quick. Before the final polymerization, apply SR gel to the entire veneering surface. Ensure that all areas are fully covered and the layer is not too thick. Please observe the following guidelines for the final polymerization of anterior crowns. After completion of the polymerization process, completely remove SR gel with running water or a steamer. Finish the restorations with cross-cut tungsten carbide burrs and fine diamonds. Also, remove the thin inhibition layer in the process and establish the shape and surface structure. Carefully smooth the surfaces using rubber polishers and silicone polishing wheels. Pay particular attention to the margins to avoid rendering them too short. After the restoration has been smoothed out, pre-polishing and high-gloss polishing are carried out. Use universal polishing paste and a goat hair brush for